folks, I have Jerry's Alto ready to show you today. This is number 749. The back and sides are some beautiful curly walnut. I believe this is from the short spin at Gobi in Portland. I've kind of lost track. I've had this set for a really long time. And then some Westwind spruce for the top. So this is Oregon coastal spruce from Camp Westwind. It's wide grain, but it still sounds awesome. We've got some kind of reddish pistachio for fretboard, headplate, and bridge, and big swoopy streaks in it. And to go along with the Westwind top, we have a Westwind neck. This is Alaskan yellow cedar from the beach at Camp Westwind. I put some maple binding on it, and then our bird's foot purfling there. It's low G, no pickup, but it's a really nice instrument. Yeah, it's great. It's really light, but it feels solid. It's a good instrument, and I appreciate the business. Cheers.